How to make the viral thumbnails like this. And this thumbnail is going to be viral your video just a seconds. Yes, just a seconds. And this video going to be basis on the AI thumbnails. Yes, AI thumbnails. And these AI thumbnails just to take the 1 to 3 seconds and your thumbnails will be virals. Yes, virals. But now the question here that bro, how should we embrace the AI? Yes, AI thumbnails going to the virals and your video will be viral in the next levels, and you don't have an idea how to create the videos. No need for this any acquisitions, no need for the Canva, Photoshops, doesn't need, just one single AI app or your video will be viral and you would have the viral thumbnails. Got it? But now the question here that you don't have any idea to how to create the viral thumbnails to hand in the Pixel app, in the Photoshops. You doesn't need, just one AI app, one AI website, your thumbnail will be ready. It doesn't matter you don't have any idea to Photoshop, Canva, doesn't need, just one app and like these thumbnails. Got it? But what the process for this creating the viral thumbnails of AI? Before we want to start the process of the AI, just I want to share the one things for you. And these thumbnails has been created on the artificial intelligence. The new face is changed. But now the interesting part of here that you can easily face swap. Thus I tell the how to face swap in the thumbnails. Don't skip the video and remain in the last ones. And now on the process now. And firstly, we have to visit this website and open these websites and log in your phones and pasted your idea. Suppose that you have to create the like these thumbnails, and now I created these thumbnails. And how to earn the money? These thumbnails will be ready in the front of you. Got it? But now the question here that how should we the face swap? Now this is a simple examples and the link in the descriptions and check out it. And firstly open these links and select your thumbnails and select your photos and these similar photos, and now the process and your thumbnails will be ready. Thus no need for this any acquisitions, no need for the Canva, Photoshops, doesn't need, just one single AI app or your video will be viral and you would have the viral thumbnails. Got it? Wait. This video isn't completed. And if you want the prompt engineering and prompt designing, and without prompt engineering and designing, you couldn't generate your thumbnails because you don't have idea to how to create the thumbnails without a prompt. Just check out these links and these links getting a more powerful prompt, how to use the prompt. Now you will be ready to the getting a thumbnails, prompt designing, prompt engineering, and your work will be super easier. Now see you in the next ones. Bye.